Welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is another video for my Nikkietutorials cross Beautybay series. So I hope you enjoy today's look. If you do, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. So to start off with, I am in a different location today. I was away for a wedding. So to start off with, I jumped in with my brows and just popped them on or filled them in to where I wanted them, cleaned them up using my concealer, and then popped on my P. Louise eye primer. So for today's look, I actually do two looks. So we had a break between the ceremony and the reception. So the first look I was doing was just a very neutral style for the ceremony, and then I was adding in some colour for the reception. So I started off with 5 AM, which is like a brown shade, and just placing that in my crease and all over and blending it in nicely. So I then went in using my finger with underground and I placed that all over my lids. Going back into the matte brown shade 5 AM, I just deepen up the outer corners and crease. So I then jump into liner and I do a winged liner. Now most of this isn't captured on camera because I do go out of focus because I do struggle a bit with eyeliner, so I get up very close and personal with the mirror. I then popped on a little bit of lash primer and mascara and then went in with the Pure Cosmetics and Rawbeautykristi lashes and popped them on. And again, I went off camera for a little bit of this, so I didn't capture all of this either. Onto the face, I jump in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer and I made sure to put loads of this on because we were going to be outdoors today, so I wanted to make sure that my hot flushes didn't ruin my makeup. So it is all over my face everywhere. I then went in with my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation in 110 Rose Vanilla and I got that to the coverage that I wanted. I then went in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in 12B Fair Beige and placed that underneath my eyes and a little bit on my nose just to highlight those areas. And then I set it all in place with my Nikkie Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Powder. And again, I used lots of that today because we were going outdoors and I didn't want to have my hot flushes ruin my makeup. I then added some colour back into my face using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer on my cheekbones and on my forehead. I then jumped into my Flower Beauty Warm Hibiscus blush and blushed on my cheeks and my nose. I then went in with highlighter and highlighted all my normal areas that I highlight. And set my face with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix It spray that's in the Flower Beauty bottle, and I used tons of that as well to make sure it all stayed in place. I then grabbed the shimmer shade Ivy and I used that as my inner corner highlights. And I left the rest of my lower lash line for later and just popped a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. I then went and got dressed and did my hair and grabbed my sunnies and just used my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and just popped a little bit of the nude gloss on. So this is the finished look for the ceremony. I then did record the footage for the reception. Unfortunately, it corrupted. So basically what I did was I changed my outfit, I changed my lips, and I added on some of the blue shimmer shade on the first half of my lids and used Amsterdam as my lower lash line color. So that is the finished look for the reception. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. If you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!